red arrow starting on gold. The tip of the red arrow is where I gave you guys the callouts on Friday. What this looked like on Friday was, first and foremost, we came up and we had a rejection of this key level right here. So your first trade would have been something like this. We had another rejection in here. So we'll get that on here as well. Another rejection. And then finally we had a breakout. This did not happen until, early. I like to keep these on here because we are multinational. We have people in other countries. We have people in other time zones that do trade the Asian and the London session. So about 0.78% on this first trade. Got about 0.5 on the second trade. Actually, I'm sorry, we had one right here. Don't want to short you guys. 0.5 on the second trade, 0.5 on the third trade, and then about 0.5 on the fourth trade. It's about 2% right here on the callouts from gold. NASDAQ, one and done. That was it. One and done. We had a rejection of 21,447. This bad boy went literally all the way to the top. So this was 1.16%, 998 ticks on Friday. It was literally 30 minutes after the call out. We rejected 21,447 right in that area, went all the way up. And this didn't go multiple days. I mean, this went all the way up until 3:30 on Friday, which is cool. We tailored off, early this morning as well. The last 200 ticks. So 1.16%, which puts us at 5% from the callouts yesterday, 998 ticks. Then we've got oil. So we had a trend line on Friday, and we also had a downward momentum. We were looking at a rejection of 67.17. So this actually happened twice. We're going to count it. One, second one, which would have been here, would have been like a bonus trade for you. So we were very specific about we would break this trend line somewhere between the top of where I highlighted and the bottom. It happened at the bottom. So this was about a 2% trade on Friday coming into last night, early this morning, 1.95%, 131 ticks. So that was beautiful. Another one and done, just like NASDAQ, guys. One trade, over 1%. One trade, almost 2%. So about 7% on Friday, which anytime we can outperform a 401k or a franchise or managed stock portfolio, what they'll do in a year, anytime we can outperform that in a single day, I'll get goosebumps. Now moving into today, let's get this super crystal clear for you guys so you know exactly what to do.